Grade 8 Physics, Chapter Light, Module 4. Objectives: to identify the different parts of human eye, to comprehend the functions of different parts of human eye. The human eye. Our eye is shaped like a ball. It has a roughly spherical shape. The outer coat of the eye is white. The outer coat of the eye is tough so that it can protect the interior of the eye from damage during an accident. The main parts of human eye are cornea, iris, pupil, ciliary muscles, eye lens, retina, and optic nerve. Cornea. The front part of the eye is called cornea. Cornea is made of a transparent substance and it is bulging out. The light coming from an object enters the eye through cornea. The main function of cornea is to protect the eye, but it also helps in focusing some light by its converging action. Iris and pupil. Just behind the cornea is the iris. It is the colored part of the eye. The iris has a hole at its center which is called pupil. Iris controls the amount of light entering the eye by adjusting the size of pupil. Eye lens. Behind the pupil is the eye lens. The eye lens is a convex lens made of a transparent and flexible material like jelly. It is held in position by ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscles can change the curvature of eye lens and make it thin according to the need of the eye. Retina. The retina is a screen on which the image is formed in front of the eye. The eye lens focuses the image of an object on the retina. The retina of our eye has a large number of light-sensitive cells. There are two kinds of light-sensitive cells on the retina, rods and cones. Rods are the rod-shaped cells present in the retina of an eye which are sensitive to dim light. Cones are cone-shaped cells present in the retina of an eye which are sensitive to bright light. Cones also causes sensation of color of an object in the eye. Optic nerve. The optic nerve carries the image formed on the retina to the brain. At the junction of optic nerve and retina in the eye, there are no light-sensitive cells due to which no vision is possible at that spot. This is called blind spot. Thus, blind spot is a small area of the retina insensitive to light where optic nerve leaves the eye. In this module, you have learned about structure of eye, functions of different parts of human eye.